Are you somebody that suffers from dry hair, frizzy hair, or let's just say you've been careless, haven't been giving much attention to your hair like I did? I understand. Like you even have difficulties in combing your hair out. Don't worry, in today's video, I got you covered. So, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. How you all doing? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys this amazing hair mask treatment that I use to revive my hair from this to this. Look how nice and revived my hair is. My hair feels nice and hydrated and all. So if that's what you're interested in, please consider subscribing down below. And without further ado, let's get into it. When it comes to doing hair mask treatments, I highly recommend you guys to first start with hot oil treatments. It's very beneficial and essential when it comes to like trying to use hair masks in your hair. Go check out a video in my channel I did about hot oil treatments in depth. Well guys, you guessed right. You're probably wondering, why did I decide to settle on amla powder? This hair mask is the best for your hair. I highly recommend you guys trying it out. Like, let's say when you suffer from dry ends or your hair is just dead. Once you use amla powder, it does miracles. Your hair just gets back to normal like nothing ever happened. So once you've added in your powder in the bowl, make sure you add warm water. Don't add cold water. The warm water helps in prepping the amla powder before you use it for application. Well, for me, I ended up getting the 50 grams one. That's why I ended up using the whole pack. I didn't want to run out of amla later on when I'm doing the application. So make sure you add in enough water. You don't want the mixture to be like clumpy or pasty, not even runny. It just needs to be a nice smooth mixture. So once you get your nice smooth mixture, make sure you let it sit for like an hour. And once an hour is done, you'll notice some air bubbles or like some holes on it. That's how you know the mixture is set and it's ready for application. After 2 hours of doing your hot oil treatment in your hair, you can proceed to now applying the hair mask in your hair. As I said, do not do any hair mask if you haven't tried hot oil treatment. It's really beneficial when you do this combination. So now that it's time for the application, I'm going to proceed by telling you guys the benefits of using amla powder in your hair as a hair mask. So amla contains high level of immune boosting antioxidants. It is amazing for hair growth because it adds texture, volume, waves, as you're about to see, waves and curls and shine to your hair. Amla also helps promote hair growth. It also helps the hair get thicker, makes your hair have stronger strands. And the best thing about using amla is that it can be used in all hair types, natural hairs, even relaxed hair, or even texturized hair, and also locked hair. Can you imagine? Well, I can't say that amla is similar to henna powder, but the good thing about amla is that the more you use it, it also helps in darkening your hair over time. And the best thing about amla is that it strengthens the scalp and also prevents and treats dandruffs. Well, at this stage I was already done applying all the amla in my hair. Like, my hair was just so heavy. I could legit feel it like drag my head backwards, really. It was such a weird experience, but yeah, as I said before, it helps activate your curls. As you remembered initially, my hair was dry, like frizzy and puffy, and look at it now. Just from the hot oil treatment already helped revive my hair. Now when I combined with the amla treatment, it finished the game. That's how you can tell from how my curls are now activated. From here, I'll just let my hair sit for about 1 hour, then I proceed to rinsing it off. So an hour later, and look how my hair is. It has literally absorbed all the oil from the hot oil treatment and also the amla powder. Like, see how my hair has fallen down. Before, my hair wasn't like that. Like, that's how I can tell that my hair is perfectly moisturized and revived just from that. So from here, I'll just proceed to rinsing it off, then just do the regular shampoo and conditioner, and that's it, and I'm done for the day. And so guys, I'd like to talk to you guys for a quick second. I know I haven't been consistent as much, and I'm deeply sorry. I'm very sorry for that, guys, really. But one thing I'm so grateful about you guys is that you guys have been watching my videos, you guys have been subscribing, new viewers have been coming in. By the way, hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Zia. In my channel I talk about hair growth ideas, glow up tips, and many more to come. You know, I haven't been that much consistent because actually I've been away. I was just trying to like find myself, get my stuff figured out and everything, and now I can officially say I'm settled and I can now be consistent with my YouTube and give you guys content, you know, just give you the hair teas that you guys need and many more to come, really. So thank you so much for your love and support. Like, literally means the world to me. Like, I have been away for like near half a year, but people are still watching my videos, people are still subscribing, people are still commenting. Like, what? I'm so grateful, and I don't take that lightly. That means the world to me, and I promise you guys I'll try my best. I'll just try my best to keep being consistent moving forward. Thank you so much, and that's all I have to say. Mwah. So this is the before of my hair, so dry, so dead, just not it, you know. And get ready for the after in 3, 2, 1. And this is my hair after, and mind you, this is a week later of me using amla in my hair. So guys, I highly recommend you guys using amla. So this brings us to the end of this video. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, let me know if you're willing to try this remedy out. And also, if this is your first time joining us, or if you have been watching and you haven't subscribed yet, come on, what are you waiting for? Join the family, subscribe, and also turn on that bell notification, and you won't miss out any of my future videos. And if you made it this far or at the end of this video, thank you so much. I appreciate a lot. I'm so grateful for your time, and also thank you for coming back to watch my videos, and I'll see you guys in the next coming videos. And always remember that good things take time, and trust the process. Mwah.